Australian dollar continues to stumble. This is Chris Lewis from FXEmpire taking a look at the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Monday has started out with a little bit of hesitation in the Australian dollar as it looks like we could possibly be setting up for some type of pullback. After all, the Friday session was a massive shooting star, and that, of course, will attract a lot of attention as it is a sign of exhaustion. If we break down below the bottom of the candlestick for the session on Monday, then I think it will pick up momentum to go looking toward the 200-day EMA and then eventually the 50-day EMA underneath there. At that point, then we have the market going down to the 0.65 level. On the other hand, if we turn around and break above the top of the shooting star for the session on Friday, then that would be a very bullish sign. In that scenario, we would perhaps see the Aussie dollar go looking to the 0.6750 level where we see a cluster of previous trading. Above there, then we have the possibility of the market going to the 0.69 level, which is a major resistance barrier. In general, you have to keep in mind that the Australian dollar is highly influenced by global risk appetite and, of course, global trade, as the Australian economy is so highly levered to the commodity markets, which, of course, are levered to the growth of global economies. It's also very closely tied to the Asian market, so pay attention to how they are faring. In general, I think this is a market that probably needs a little bit of a pullback, or at the very least, some sideways action. So, because of that, I am looking at this pair as one that's probably likely to drop, although I don't necessarily think that it's going to fall apart. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.